Hello everyone, good afternoon and welcome to today review with the market once again all over the place. Big fight between bulls and bears. We are watching right now SPY that yesterday break below 416 goes all the way into 411, push back above. Today it fills yesterday gap 417.6 and now sitting in the middle of nowhere. Okay, so very tricky action. Right now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days with red close on SPY, so it's very tricky. It's making lower highs. So manage your risk wisely and. Because we are right now on a very tricky market. Okay, just less than 6 minutes for the market to close. Sorry, less than 4 minutes for the market to close. We are going to see how the market close, but before that, let's try to review some of the trades that we had today. So one of the first trades, it was on the cubes. Okay, short basically here with the puts 332 at 88 cents. I trim profits all the way from 88 cents all the way into $1.20. The last part it was stopped on this squeeze up, but right now those same puts are trading at more than $3. Okay, so congratulations to the traders that had patience. It was not easy with these rallies, this short squeeze up. It's not easy because they killed the premium, but the direction was pretty much solid and pretty much clear. So congratulations everyone on the trade. I also tried to catch a bounce on Tesla. Got in, got out because didn't work. It was here on this move from 666, the level right now. Once, twice, three times, that's the support. Was trying to bounce from 667, didn't give much follow through, so right now waiting to see what the hell is going to happen. Breaks below 666, watch out, has a gap to fill at 637, that can be a target. Goes above today highs of today above 685, watch out, can make a big short squeeze all the way into $700. So trying to stay open money here. The stock it's calling for another move in my opinion. I also got some Nvidia puts. Okay, Nvidia puts. Those work very well, but I sold on this rip higher also, but they gave it all back and got back into the money. Was puts 590 strike. Right now they are $4 profit per contract, so congratulations everyone. They also filled the gap here from yesterday and right now in the middle of nowhere, printed a bearish reversal candle. Bull case scenario only above 595, above that can short squeeze. Otherwise below today lows of today we have yesterday lows, and below that we have 554 as possible support. One of the trades that made me very nice cash flow, it was actually on shares. RVP out of nowhere, saw volume, jump into the stock, start trimming profits on the way up, and I closed everything for a very nice profits. Okay, it got even higher all the way into $10.49. So congratulations everyone that held a position, almost $1 profit per share. But I basically got in, got out, and gave very nice cash flow. Another one that made me very nice cash flow, NLES. On this pop I also out of nowhere volume, also on options, and basically got at $70 and 14 cents and trim profits here. Why here? It was the open price and also the resistance line, so I start trimming profits and it was the wise thing to do. It gave back, bounced once again, so killing the premium on both sides. I also got some IWM puts. Sadly, I got stopped before this dive. Congratulations to traders that got into those puts. Puts 223 and they got in the money once again with the small caps. perfect retouch on this support line right now. So now what? Bull case needs above 225 for a short squeeze up, bear case needs below 221 for waterfall all the way to 215, the next one 213, 212, so those can be the targets. Right now waiting to see where they are going to push the next. The market already closed, so let's see how the SPY closed. Pretty much middle of nowhere, below the 8-day moving average. If it goes below 415, okay, we have 413, we have 411.6 yesterday lows, 410, very bearish. If we go below 410, then can be a big waterfall all the way into 403, okay? But once again, we need to see it. Right now, they are printing lower highs, rejecting on the moves up. So let's see if we have a move below 415, for 413, the next level. Looking for the cubes, the biggest laggards right now, and not able to fill the gap. So right now we have a bear gap here at 335.7, bearish gap, while we have some names that fill the gap. The cubes didn't. Printed an inside day. Okay, what's an inside day? It's above yesterday lows and below yesterday highs. Right, holding 328, it was the level that I have here, 328.8. They holding perfectly the level. Now what? Below today, lows of today 328, we have 326, we have 325, and we have $320 gap to fill. Above today highs of today, if somehow they are able to push the envelope back above today highs of today, we have gap to fill at 335.7, so staying open-minded. Right now, what we have, a mixed bag, okay? We have some names that push up, for example, SLB, we have energy names, Shop, many names that push back up, but we have Chinese names, for example, that are pushing lower. We have tech names, for example, AMD tried to push up but gave it all back. Amazon at the lows. Apple reversal sell here from the $130 and closed at the lows 128. What we have more by Boeing that tried to bounce but gave it all back and stopping at 227.6, still inside day versus yesterday. Facebook that bounced but giving it all back and closed below the 8-day moving average. Netflix actually closed below $500, okay, and near the lows. So we have here very tricky with the tech names selling, and risk management suggests that you stay cash overnight because anything can happen overnight. We also gave some puts on Moderna. Moderna puts, those puts were amazing. Congratulations for the traders that got into those puts. Also Novavax gave some puts as a scalp edge, also very nice profit, so congratulations everyone that got into the trade. Going into tomorrow, staying open-minded, the ball is on the bear camp. Bears able to keep making lower highs, but anything can happen on this market. We can have a big short squeeze if somehow SPYs, for example, okay, let's extend here. If SPYs, for example, for any kind of trick goes above 418, can have a big short squeeze up, okay? So bears want to keep these here, okay, and bears want to break below 410 for the next leg down. Is that going to happen? No clue. No one can predict the future. I believe it will happen, but can be tomorrow, can be next week, next month, next year. No one has a clue when this will stop. But eventually, we will have another bigger correction ahead, and to feel some of the levels lower. But I prefer to wait for the price to break down and to show that we are on the path for another big correction, okay? Another name, for example, FX, Freeport, FCX. Yesterday bullish reversal candle. Also gave you today on stock charts. On the private channel we got calls 39. So congratulations everyone. The stock breakout today all the way into 41.7. Congratulations for the traders that held the position and swing long the position. Congratulations, it was also a beautiful trade. On this kind of moves it's wise to trim profits, okay, because from 1 minute to the other we can have a pullback reversal sell, so stay open mind, especially with a gap here. Anything can happen, so it's wise to trim profits. And congratulations to everyone that ride this trade with us from yesterday, okay. So with this said, wish you all a great evening. Thank you all for watching. Stay safe and stay open-minded for the action that we are going to have tomorrow, okay. Thank you all. Bye bye.